Assalamu alaikum everyone, you are watching Software Buddy. I hope that you all will be fine. The today's topic of discussion is how you can install R programming language and the RStudio, which is a compiler of the R language in your operating system. Now let's start with the installation process. I have copied the links to download the R language and RStudio. I have also provided the links in the description box. So what you have to do is copy the first link, which is for the R language, and open it in your browser. Once you have reached this page, you will see a link of CRAN written under the download section, as you can see here. So here you can see that there are different CRAN mirrors available, so you can choose to download any depending upon your location. So let's say I'm going to choose this one. Now you will be directed to this page. Here you can see different options for downloading, and you can download CRAN for Linux, Mac OS or Windows operating system. So I have Windows operating system. I will be downloading the CRAN for Windows. You can download according to your system. So I am going to click on the link for Windows. After you click on the link, it will redirect you to this page. You just simply have to click on the install R for the first time link, as you can see here. So it will be showing you the latest version of R for Windows. So click on the link and your download will begin. As the R is downloading, so let's also download the RStudio in the meantime. So copy the second link I have provided you in the description box and open it. Once you have opened the link, you will see the download button, so click on this button and you will be directed to this page, as you can see here. Now just simply scroll down and you will see the RStudio desktop option, which is totally free of cost, so we are going to install it. Click on the download button. Here you can see it has automatically detected the Windows version of my system and recommended me this version of RStudio to install. So click on this link and it will start the download. And if you want to install any other version of the RStudio, just simply scroll down and there you will find the different versions of it. The downloading has been completed, so let's start with the installation process. First, open the .exe file. It will open the R installer windows. You just simply click on the yes button. After that, it will ask you to select the language. Once you have selected the language, press the OK button and then on the next button. Now as you can see, it shows you the path in which the R will be installed. You can change the location by clicking on the browse button if you want to change it, and then click on the next button. Now I am going to uncheck the 32-bit files component because I have the 64-bit system. After that, click on the next. Now just select the yes option and click the next. It will be going to ask which interface you want to install, MDI or SDI. The MDI stands for multiple document interface and SDI stands for the single document interface. So MDI means that there will be a one big window and multiple small windows in it. SDI has separate windows. So I am going to choose the MDI and press next. Leave it as it is, HTML help, next, next, and leave it as it is and press next, and the installation will begin. So as you can see, the installation has been finished. Now let's install the RStudio. So open the RStudio exe file which you have downloaded. Next, and this is the path where RStudio will be going to install in your system. You can change it if you want. Click next and just click on the install. So as you can see, the installation has begun. The installation has been completed, so click the finish button. So this is the way how you can install the R and RStudio for your operating system. I hope you will find this video helpful. So see you again in next video, and Allah Hafiz.